Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can install iOS 27 public beta in our any iPhone. So the process is very simple. As you guys can see here, I'm right now downloading the iOS 27 public beta update, and as it will be downloaded, I can install this update in my phone. So it would be very easy and simple process. So if you want to download and install the iOS 27 public beta, you can follow this guide. So let's get started. So first of all, in order to install iOS 27 public beta, you must have at least 30 GB of free space in your iPhone, and your iPhone must be charged at least more than 60%. So let's get started. Jump to the new Safari browser and search here beta.apple.com, something beta.apple.com, right? Search this website and go to the first one, Apple Beta Software Program. Now you can see iOS 27 public profiles here. Hit on get started or sign up. You will see either sign in or sign up button. As you hit on sign up or get started, it will ask for your face ID to verify it. So click on install or verify, and your iPhone will scan your face, and then you will be redirected to this website. I have already done that. That's why my iPhone didn't verify my Face ID. Now hit on get started and click on enroll your iOS device. Now swipe up and you will see open beta updates. His this blue button. This will redirect you to the settings page, and now you will see these three options. Your iPhone will have checkmark on the off button like this. You can select the iOS 27 public beta, and that's it. Whenever you are done with the selection, you can hit back and your iPhone will show you the iOS 27 public beta update. This is the whole simple fix. This way you can download and install your iOS 27 public beta in your any iPhone. I hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.